This saber is bananas. That's so cringy, no. This saber is bananas. It doesn't sound right. This saber is literally bananas. I need to unbox it first. Art Saber sent me over their new exclusive lightsaber to unbox and review for you guys, and I'm gonna be 100% honest, this is the craziest saber I now have in my collection. I have here the Banana Saber, and yes, the hilt is literally a banana. The hilt itself is super high quality, has a bit of weight to it, and has 2 buttons that control the saber's colors, blaster and flash on clash functions, and sound fonts. Choose from 11 different colors and over 15 sound fonts. Yes, this isn't your typical replica saber, but it'd be a fine addition to anyone's collection. It's truly such a fun design, and I personally would love to see more sabers like this on the market. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Be sure to check out the Banana Saber on Art Saber's website, and thank you guys so much for watching.